Hi everyone and welcome again to my YouTube channel. You're probably wondering what I'm doing on this chair that's going on this mat. Well, today I have a special tutorial for you, especially for those who are interested in going deeper in their dancer, splits, backbends or one-legged pigeon backbends practice. So in this video we'll be using the chair in two ways, just to get into a deeper backbend, but also help with alignment that we won't fall into the lower back or fall into one side or another, which is a common problem when we're practicing these type of asymmetrical poses. So let's begin. So what we want first is a chair that won't move. It rocks a little bit, but it won't move. It stays on the mat. So we want the mat to be sticky and we want the chair to be very stable, because we don't want to be flailing around and risking our backs or anything else while we're practicing this. The second thing is we're going to go now step against the wall, and hands will be about a comfortable distance away from the chair. We'll start by placing the hands on the chair, not too much, but just like a comfortable leverage so it won't fall over or anything. And now I'm going to start practicing dancer with my left leg up. So I'm placing the hands on the chair, shoulders down, chest goes forward. We don't want to be collapsing like this. Okay, so we're taking the left leg back and up and starting just to get a better alignment. So we don't want this to happen. No open hips. If you need to, just look back where the leg goes. If you need to adjust, and just stay here, shoulders down, look forward. This is also a great chest opener and throat opener for those who've been asking for tips. So we'll be staying here. If this is too much, if you can't get the leg up in this small distance, so I will be doing slowly going down, taking the chair a little bit more forward. And basically doing the same thing until we're comfortable getting the chair closer to us. But the main purpose is to stay in a good alignment. This is why we have the wall, this is why we have the chair. And also not to go too deep to begin with, just so we don't want to hurt the back. So now the chair is further away from me, and lift the right leg up. And you see this is going easier. So I look up just to see that my leg didn't fly open. My hips are aligned, shoulders down. I look forward in the chair. Inhale. Exhale. Now, if you want a deeper back bend, you can start going up with the chest, shoulders down. You see how my shoulders are away from my ear. And if you want to go and practice splits, and this is your goal, so you can go lower. This is also a great shoulder opener. Just relax here. Again, if this is too much, another solution would be to take the standing leg a little bit more forward. So we take it a little bit more forward, and well, my back is not as crunched as it was. So there are many ways just to practice this. And so this is one way I'm going to use the chair for my backbend practice. The second way is once I'm already on the floor. So I want the lower part in front of me if I'm going from here to there. And this can be used either for on the pigeon or for splits or even low lunge. But today I'm going to show you how to do it in pigeon. So we're taking the chair a little bit back to begin with and getting into our pigeon pose. So this is the back leg, it will go back. And the front leg will come into pigeon, whichever way works for you. Keep the front leg flexed, foot flexed. And now just sit here in the pose, straighten the back, lower the shoulders. This is the first part. So just get comfortable here. Inhaling and exhaling, lower belly in. Push the lower back down, inhale, elongate, chest up, shoulders down, just relax here. If this is too much, then we can totally stay here and it's fine. But if you want to learn how to use the chair, we'll slowly go back. And now you see, the chair is holding up my upper back. This is usually what a teacher does when it comes to support you. so you don't crunch into the lower back. You start working, understanding how the upper back is supposed to be in this pose. It's supposed to be down and just up. So this is basically the work. If you manage to get here, you can take your head back, rest it on the chair, take the arms back, grab the chair with the hands. And now you see my shoulders are down, my elbows are facing up, they're not flying to the side, I don't want to hurt the shoulders. Lower belly in, inhale, exhale. So you see my back is aligned, I don't fall to the side, I don't fall to the lower back. My legs are still working because they're supposed to, but I'm not going into my lower back with this in any way. I work with the shoulders, I work with the lower belly, I work with the chair. And this is giving me both the support and alignment my upper back needs for this pose. Slowly come up, head left. And this is a great way to use the chair. Later on, when we're doing the full pose, we can have like this in our memory that where the upper back is supposed to go, how it's supposed to go, how we're supposed to be aligned, not falling this way or that way, which is the easiest, but will cause us injuries in the long run. And so I hope this tutorial was helpful. Subscribe if you want to see some more videos in the future, and have a nice day.